In this video, me and my father are gonna go to a vaccination place for Jack, our little pet. He's half husky and half golden retriever. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Hello mga kaking! What's up? So for today's vlog mga kakings ay pabaksin na naman yung aso naming si Jack. Yung half husky, half golden retriever. Si Goberian, ang pangalan na ay Goberian.
Hello!
Siya, mix breed siya mga kakings. So biyahe tayo, punta ang yung vaccination center is nasa Harads. Kasama ko pala anak ko si Ali.
Hello!
Si Wifey, si Mami. Okay na, biyahe na tayo mga kakings. So bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. Let's go!
Hello mga kakings!
Hello mga kakings!
Yo! Hello mga kakings! Right!
Hello mga kakings! What's up?
Hello mga kakings! What's up?
Let's get started.
Tayo ng Harads. Doon daw malapit yung vaccination, yung clinic. Lock yung door natin.
Hindi nakalock?
So, hello mga kakings. Yung pupuntahan pa lang natin yung mga kakings sa yung sa Harads. Kasi doon daw malapit yung vaccination center o health center ng mga aso. Hello mga ka-kings. Hinahanap pa namin yung yung health center na pabakunahan kay Jack. Kasi hindi namin makita-kita. Paikot-ikot na kami rito. Nandun na si Mami, bumaba na lang. Pumasok dun sa may bilihan ng mga animals, mga pet animals. Tapos nagtanong sa lalakarin na lang kung saan. Tapos mamaya pupuntahan namin. Kala ko madali lang, yung pala hirap hanapin yung lugar. Si Jack, ayun o.
Hello!
Hello Jack! Ayan siya o, isang Goberian. Ngal-ngal siya, dahil mainit eh. Hindi kaya na aircon yung init mga ka-kings.
Hello! Hello mga ka-kings! What?
Ako, pawis na oh. Ito na yun mga ka-kings. Aso. Tabak na na.
Galing yan. Kalian mo.
Bring ka tali din.
Sabihin nakaano tayo.
This for rabies ha? Rabies ha?
Rabies.
Oh.
This one age 60 months.
Yeah, yeah.
This one for virus. Dangerous, very dangerous for dogs. Parvo, distemper, hepatitis, influenza.
Okay.
Called 5 virus inside this one.
How about for the rabies?
The rabies one age 6 months.
Not now. After 6 months. Now.
And if you equate, not make rabies vaccine. When you're traveling, make vaccine.
For rabies ha?
For rabies.
But here,
only on traveling.
for traveling for rabies ha?
Equate.
For her quiet.
Not use.
But now this one for 6 months we need vaccine.
If you want to make rabies vaccine, make 6 months.
After 6 months.
After 6 months.
But in general, in Kuwait, not use. No
But
rabies.
I need for the rabies.
No rabies in Kuwait.
How about this
No
one?
rabies in Kuwait.
Because he's biting because his teeth is
No
growing.
problem, no problem.
Why?
Wala?
Biting, no problem.
No, not just.
If take rabies vaccine, also biting. The behavior. But when rabies, biting, big problem. In Kuwait, no rabies. Biting, same children biting you.
Okay, yes, same. Yes. Okay. He make play only. Like that. He make play because his
Play
tooth,
only.
yeah.
Play.
Bigyan natin siyang vitamin.
You have vitamins for the dog here?
Papi. So I need to cut the
His mother
the
is-
nail. Wag mo na sa.
Oh.
Galing nga. Walang sakta.
Very good boy.
Very good boy.
Hashtag good boy.
Hashtag good boy.
Okay.
Long nails.
Yeah, long nails.
If you go down, blood coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Sway eh.
Look, it's the one playing biting like that.
Hey, you're not sharp anymore. Good boy, Jack.
Labas mo muna para makaihi siya. Doon, go din.
Okay.
He will make something. Kalas? Okay. Give him the vitamins. What?
See?
No, 3. September 3.
Next. 24.
Yeah, iba. Next 24, ah?
After 2 weeks.
Okay. Go there. Doon mo siya. Dali.
What's your name, brother?
Dr. Ahmed.
Masri?
Yeah.
Ah.
Take photo the problem.
No, this one for vlog for my YouTube channel.
Hospital Bushkin.
No.
Hospital pharmacy.
No, I will not. I go there and process close appointment.
What is this? This is for the vaccination?
Yes.
Date of vaccine. Half million.
Half and in.
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Open mouse, 30 mouse.
How much that one?
300.
Okay. And then this is what is this for
vitamins. All.
vitamin?
Yeah, vitamins. That's vitamins.
For bodybuilding.
Yes.
Wait, where's my money? There in the car.
Jack.
Smell urine of other dogs.
Yeah.
Your vaccine. Akin na yung vitamin niya.
So, no.
Ayun. Nakita rin namin yung yung location mga kakings. Ano siya, yung na ng mga veterinary, yung mga bilihan ng pagkain, meron silang vaccine dito, meron silang Tapos binigyan rin siya ng pang-worm. Ito yung pang-worm mo. Kalahati, after 2 weeks, kalahati na naman. So, ayan, tapos na si Jack na vaksinan.
Are you happy, Jack?
Yung anti-rabies, pa-injection na natin pero after 6 months na, after 8 months. They have rabies here, but it's up to us. But they said, safety raw yung mga aso dito.
Safe?
Sa Kuwait, yes. Okay na?
So, lulu tayo, bibili tayo ng tayo.
So, let's go na mga kakings. Bye-bye!
Hello, mga ka-kings!
So, hanggang dito na lang po yung video namin mga kakings. Kung bago ka lang sa channel namin, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, comment, subscribe, at pakihit na lang po yung notification bell para sa mga update po namin mga bagong
Videos.
video. So, let's go!